Hey guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Blessed Shine TV, and if today is your first time you're just watching on YouTube and you see this my channel, don't forget to click on the video, watch the end and turn on the bell notification and like and comment down below what you think about this video, and don't forget to share with your friend as well. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my ring light. So I'm going to be unboxing my ring lights and also mats for my workout exercise. I'll be using for my home workout, you know, the one you spread on the ground and then start your workout. Yes, so I'm going to be unboxing it too to show you guys how it is and how it looks like. So guys, without wasting much time, let's go straight to the video. Okay guys, first I'm going to be unboxing my mat. Let me ship back my mat. This is it. I actually got this from AliExpress. Yeah, right now I'm just going to open it and
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서
guys, this is so beautiful. I love it. Don't worry about the color. This is my favorite color. I love black so much. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, guys. So this one is, I don't know. Okay, this one is the rope. This one is the rope, like to hold it. Yeah, guys. So for my ring light, I really can't wait to use this ring light. Wow. So guys, this is, I don't know if you can see very well. And extra. Here's the remote. And for this, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에
I'm going crazy. I'm going
So guys, this is how it is, and this is actually my first time, and I really don't know how I'm going to fix it. So I think I'm just going to leave it when my husband comes back. He will do that for me. So guys, this is how it is. It's really not big, it's small. Yeah, I think I love it like that. Yes, this is the back. Look at the back. This is the front. So guys, I can't wait to use this ring lights. And as I said before, if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friend, like, comments, okay guys, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay guys, bye bye.